What is up, guys? Welcome back to Offroad Diaries. If you're new to the channel, I'm Krista. This is Jonathan. Princess Leia Puppy Dog's in the house right now. We are currently in the shop of 777 Motorsports. So Jonathan has been working on Brian's car here. Brian got a Rebel Style Customs cage.
It says 2016 XPT, first generation of the new body style. We did the cage, tapered rear end, the Frenched in rear light bar, which is going to be an LED strip that I haven't put in yet, but it will go in soon.
I like that.
Today's mission is going to be the doors. We're going to put some Moto Armor doors. Pretty excited. We got them all painted up. He was in a wreck, and it, as I was saying before, it cracked a bunch of the plastics on it. So we got a lot of new plastics for it. Our buddy Kevin has gotten a chance to get them all painted up. So we got some fresh white plastics for this side. And now we're just putting everything back together. So this is the easy stuff. Like if this is a Can-Am, it would take 5 hours to put this on. But since it's an actual properly engineered car, it's easy. Because Polaris makes things easy. Unlike that thing over there.
That one right there, Mama T's car.
That has been a nightmare. Because to even take the trim piece off is a nightmare. Why? Because Can-Am engineers suck. And yes, we own a Can-Am, in case you're wondering. You never watched us. Yeah.
Hey, at the Sharp Formation, we literally had to tear that down, and we complained the whole time about all those rivets.
And I take these cars apart all the freaking time. It took me hours and hours and hours and hours and hours to take those plastics off. It's just stupid. I could strip this whole car of plastics in like 2 hours if I wanted to.
Yeah.
Anyways, enough of that. So we're just trying to knock this car out, and then I got to jump back to the Can-Am. I'm gonna have
which is coming together really nicely.
Yeah, it is coming together pretty nicely. Couple pieces that I want to get fixed on that vinyl-wise. But other than that, we're going to focus on this car today and just knocking it out, getting it out of the shop. Brian wants to get it back, and I want to get it to him before we go on our cruise. So now we're going to focus on the Moto Armor doors. Okay guys, we kind of just had to keep rolling, but this is pretty close to your finished result of the doors. But if you look at this car from the inside, you can actually see how it does that. He'll have a whole lot more space on the inside. We managed to get the front seats back on. He's got some really nice PRP seats. It's suede here, and some vinyl and whatnot. Good looking seats. He's put some love into this car. To be a 16, I'll admit, he's taking pretty darn good care of it. So where we're at now, we're gonna go through, put all the seat belts back in, and make sure they're all secure and tight, so when he takes his family out, he'll be safe. And then we've got to do a little wiring. We've got this right here, which is actually a slit, and you put your you put an LED bar in there, and it looks pretty cool. It's a kind of little Knight Rider look, so it does with the brake lights and everything. So we're just gonna sit there and tidy on up, keep on going, and got to figure out these speakers. May or may not figure them out. I don't think they're 360s, but we're gonna keep going. We got stuff to do. Got to get this car delivered to Brian tonight. He says he's coming, so I'm happy for him to see it once it's done. Okay, so I found the problem. Looks like the impact was so hard, it broke the bearing in half. So for you guys that don't know what bearings are, you have this, it's called a race, and it rides on these little balls, like so, and it's supposed to spin. As you can see, the bearing is completely fell apart. So we're gonna take this knuckle the rest of the way off and press it out and put that new bearing in. Now it's time to get the lock clip out. These things are super fun. Everybody loves to do this. You know what I'm talking about. Because we've got to press this out. So I'm going to take this old race right here and I'm going to put it here. First, we're just going to give it a couple of love taps and just see if we can get it out at all without having to press it. Probably not. So let's go to the press. See what kind of fun we can have. So when you're pressing these things out, you want to make sure that you put it facing down to where the locking clip is, because that's going to be the side it's going to come out on. I'll try to bring you guys along for the ride. I'm trying to record this and do all the work. So sorry if I can't get it all. If you don't have a press, honestly, what are you doing? They're only like $100. Obviously it's going to be sped up. It took me a good little bit of effort to get that other one out. It was already cockeyed from it falling apart and kind of seized in there. So everything's probably going to be sped way up. End result is bearing is in. Make sure that you have it all the way in so you can get your lock ring back in that spot. And we're going to go throw it back together. Okay, got the tire and wheel back on. The wheel, for you crazy people that want to argue about what it's called. Now, I'm gonna go wire that LED brake light in that I was trying to wire in a second ago, and then realized I didn't replace the wheel bearing. So, this is the area we're gonna put it in. It's like a tray basically, and let's get this knocked out really quick.
If you can't tell, it's very, very cold. I'm freezing, my nose is cold, and I'm so excited to be leaving to go on this cruise to the Caribbean in sunshine and heat and sweat. So a little update, Jonathan's over here getting the power washer ready so we can spray down Brian's car. We got the seats in here. These are nice seats. I like these a lot. Cleaned up the speaker pods, got the strip lighting installed. We got the roof on and then the windshield on also. So now I need to try to air up the tires and Sherb. Poor Sherb's got a flatty over there. So we're gonna get her. Oh, we also got the Pro R back from Golden Spike. They did some warranty work. So she's back. Look at her. Back in all her glory. So it's so cold. Brian's on his way soon to come get his car. Even though it's sunny and sun shining outside, it is frigid. frigid. I have a hoodie and this Columbia jacket on. So I'm gonna try to put some air and sure, I can't even talk, so my lips are numb. We got that done. Whew, burr. I'm currently making bagel bites. I got a little less than 5 minutes. I'm hungry. I need bagel bites. Jonathan's over there washing the car. He's a trooper, man. Huh? Yeah? Yeah, that thing aired it up super fast.
How much did you put in there?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know?
There's a gauge on it.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. I don't even know what's happening. I am not the mechanic here. I don't do any of this. I am just merely the helper. Jonathan's sitting here in his cush.
Yeah.
He did a lot of work. He did a lot of work. Again,
He did a tremendous
helped
job.
hold pliers. So this is Brian here. Brian,
Hello.
this is
Beautiful.
your car.
I appreciate all the hard work. It didn't look like this before, that's for sure.
What do you got next on the books?
Suspension and some protection for this brand new paint job.
Yeah. Yeah, white. That's a bold color to go with.
Well, it's gonna be America themed, so America.
That would be
What are you gonna do? Where's red? Where are you gonna put red?
Little
little
bits of
touch?
red, but it'll be down
Are you gonna do the
towards.
suspension in red or?
No, I'm actually just gonna do some graphics towards the back of the car and the roof.
Oh.
We'll have my dad's memorial and all that stuff on
Nice.
there. So
Oh
Heck
yeah,
yeah.
I forgot your old roof had the
American flag.
American flag on
I'm
it.
gonna add some more personal touches for dad and the fallen officers, but
Nice.
yeah.
Nice. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Well, good job, babe.
We're going on a cruise.
Yay!
No more cold weather.
I'm done with this nonsense. We're out, guys. We love you. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Love you. Bye.